Top 10 travel hacks you can use this summer. Hidden cache and empty chapstick tube. Remove the base of an empty chapstick tube and clean it thoroughly. Then, roll up some emergency cash and store it inside. This inconspicuous hiding spot can come in handy during unexpected situations. Shoe bag as laundry bag. Use a shoe bag with separate compartments as a practical laundry bag while traveling. It helps you keep your dirty clothes separate from clean ones and organizes them efficiently, saving space in your luggage. Google Maps offline navigation. While many people know about offline maps, not everyone realizes that Google Maps also offers offline navigation. Simply download the map of your destination, and you can still get turn-by-turn directions even without an internet connection. Dryer sheets for fresh clothing. Place a dryer sheet in your suitcase to keep your clothes smelling fresh throughout your trip. It helps combat any unwanted odors that may accumulate during travel, especially if you're moving between different climates or spending long hours on planes. Contact lens case for liquids. Utilize a clean and empty contact lens case to store small amounts of liquids such as moisturizer, shampoo, or foundation. The secure and leak-proof design of the case makes it ideal for carrying small quantities of these products without taking up much space in your toiletry bag. Digital copies of important documents. Take photos or scan your important travel documents such as your passport, identification cards, visas, and travel insurance. Save them as digital copies on your smartphone or email them to yourself. In case of loss or theft, having these digital copies can make it easier to replace or report the missing documents. You don't want to miss these unique travel hacks.